How to turn on use data to customize my Discord experience on Discord application, of course. Hello guys, how are you? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. The first step is going to Discord and open it. After this, when Discord is opening, as you see now, you will just go down here in the open this icon here, your profile. Then you will go to privacy and safety, and then you will have a list of options. You will just go down to use data to customize my Discord experience. Then you will go here to this place and you will turn on this option by clicking here like this, and that's it. It will work with you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next video.